Ever pondered how some guys just seem to have that magnetic pull, making women flock to them like bees to honey? Well, my friend, you're in for a treat. In this exciting guide, we're diving deep into the art of attraction, unveiling 5 game-changing moves that will have you transforming into the man women can't resist. So, buckle up, because we're about to unwrap the secrets that'll make her crave your company day and night. 1. Confidence, your crown of awesomeness. Strut your stuff with swag, because confidence is the ultimate game changer. All right, picture this. You walk into a room, shoulders back, a grin that says, "I own the joint." That's the kind of confidence that makes heads turn and hearts skip a beat. It's like wearing an invisible crown that broadcasts, "Hey, I know my worth." So, champ, embrace your inner superhero and rock that confidence like it's the hottest accessory in town. Embrace the imperfections, flaunt your quirks, and win hearts. Hold on a sec. Does confidence mean you gotta be flawless? Nope, not at all. Real confidence is about loving your strengths and quirks alike. It's all those little things that make you, well, you. Whether it's your infectious laughter or your obsession with vintage comics, wear it like a badge of honor, because a man who's comfortable in his own skin is a total heart melter. 2. Unleash your inner playmate. Life's a party. You're the life of it. Now, remember how kids light up the room with their laughter and boundless energy? Time to tap into that. Inject a dash of playfulness into your chats and hangouts. Tease her gently. Challenge her to a playful bet, or whisk her away for a surprise adventure, making her laugh and feel like a carefree kid again. You're setting the stage for a connection she won't forget. Break the predictability. Keep her guessing. Routine is the enemy of excitement. So, shake things up. No need for grand gestures. Surprise her with a spontaneous picnic under the stars or a quirky museum visit. The goal? Keep her on her toes and intrigued by your unpredictability. Trust us, that element of surprise will have her eagerly waiting to see what you come up with next. 3. Master the art of heartfelt listening. Ears wide open, heart fully present. Here's the scoop, my friend. Communication isn't just about your words, it's about your ears. When she talks, give her your undivided attention. Lock eyes, put your phone away, and genuinely soak in every word. This kind of listening, it forges a connection that goes beyond mere words. Ask, understand, connect. Top tip, toss in open-ended questions that dig deep. Instead of the usual, "How's your day?" Try, "What's something that made you smile today?" You're not just scratching the surface, you're diving into her thoughts, dreams, and feelings. And when you share your own stories that resonate with hers, you're weaving a bond that's unbreakable. 4. Unveil your wildest dreams. Dream big. Ignite her passion. Ladies dig men with not just dreams, but a plan to chase them down. Don't be shy to chat about your aspirations, your goals, and the thrilling path you're on. Your drive is like an infectious energy that sets her heart racing. When you show her your ambitions, you're inviting her to join you on a journey filled with excitement and growth. Cheer her on. Hey, it's not a solo show. Show genuine interest in her dreams, too. Be her #1 supporter, cheering her victories and offering a listening ear during the tough times. This isn't just about you succeeding. It's about both of you thriving together, creating a bond that's rock solid. 5. The spell of mystery. Leave them wanting more. Here's a plot twist. Don't reveal all your cards at once. Keep an air of mystery that keeps her guessing. Share bits about yourself, but leave those juicy gaps for her imagination to fill in. The thrill of the unknown, it's like a magnet, drawing her closer. The dance of give and take. Mystery isn't about being distant. It's about finding that sweet spot between revealing and concealing. As you let her into your world, make sure she's inviting you into hers. This back and forth dance, it's the rhythm of a connection that's downright enchanting. In a world where connections come and go, the desire to build something real is stronger than ever. By embracing your uniqueness, infusing playfulness, becoming a top-notch listener, sharing your dreams, and sprinkling a little mystery, you're crafting a bond that can withstand the test of time. So, friends, go out there and light up the world with your newfound charm, because now you've got the magic formula to make women crave and hunger for every moment with you.